Building automation installs shouldn't feel like a puzzle. Stop wasting time sourcing individual components, struggling with field complexity, and risking costly inspection delays. Meet the PSH450DB10-LVC, the ultimate fully enclosed UL-listed DC power solution. It takes the guesswork out of installation, delivering immediate labor savings and complete peace of mind. Featuring 5 isolated 90-watt circuits. If one goes down, your other devices keep running. Plus, a dedicated low-voltage control compartment means your team can perform maintenance safely without the hassle of heavy PPE. With onboard LEDs, an integrated outlet, and individual circuit breakers, troubleshooting has never been easier. Upgrade your build, eliminate the headaches, and power up with confidence. Learn more today by visiting functionaldevices.com.